installing Google Chrome on Windows 10. Whether you're setting up a new computer or just prefer Chrome as your go-to browser, we've got you covered. So let's get started. We'll start by opening Microsoft Edge, the default browser on Windows 10, which you'll find it on your taskbar or you can search for it in the Start menu. Now, the next step is to search in Google Chrome download. Now scroll down a little bit and you'll find Google Chrome, the fast and secure web browser built. So click on that option and here you will find the option to download Chrome. Click on that option, then all the extension you need for Chrome will be downloaded. Now click on the Chrome setup and open the file. Now click on Open File. So the next step after the installer finishes downloading is to click on Install. Here my Google Chrome file is downloading. After the download is complete, it will be installing. And here you go. You've successfully installed Google Chrome on your Windows 10 system. You're now ready to browse the web with one of the most popular and powerful browsers available. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up